Today we can discuss about the list of connectors you must avoid from OET letter. Those are but, secondly, hence, also, thirdly, thereafter, then, finally, later on, firstly, thus, besides, furthermore, moreover, meanwhile. On the other hand, nonetheless, whereas. So, now let's understand a little more about connectors. First one is simple connectors. Simple connectors are used in the middle of the sentences. For example, and, but, or, for, because, except, also, later, as. Now let's see what are complex connectors. Complex connectors are used to connect dependent clause and independent clause. Those are before, after, following, although, however, since, unless, in case. Thank you.